Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you off this GoPro car that I made. So, basically how I made it was, I just threw some parts together out of a Lego set that I got, and it was just one of those cheap ones from the dollar store. So what I did was, I first saw these and thought, hey, that could make something to make a train car with, and I decided I should make something for the GoPro. So what I used was I used one of these for the foundation on each truck. Then there's one of these 2x4 pieces under it. That's attached to two of the two 2x6 pieces next to each other. And then the other thing on the same side. And then some trucks that I popped under it, and it works. And there's some more pieces for sustaining here. There's also these little things on the back, which I'm not sure if you can see. They just help wedge it in there a little more. So basically what I wanted to do with this that makes it good is that, unlike a flat car, there's going to be less in front of the camera that's blocking it, and you can actually see more of the train when it's behind another car, since instead of the flat car being like right there and the coupler being where the truck is, the truck's actually further forward, so you actually have more visibility. It also has a lower center of gravity, so it can actually go over bumps better, so it's a much smoother ride, and it won't be as janky, but it will wiggle a bit side to side. So that's basically what this thing is, so let's go get some clips of it running by, and then we'll get some clips of it taking some laps ahead of a train around the layout. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see the other video where I tried to build my first GoPro car in from almost a year ago now, click on the screen around now.